Well, hi everyone. This is James. Like long time no see. It's winter time, you know. Don't do that much. I've been making highlights and streaming video, obviously, but I haven't really been producing much. So I thought I would give you a little update on this beautiful 2/20/2020. And we have our Buckfast swarm from midsummer. And this is the hive that got into the peppers, the habanero and the ghost peppers. And I pulled a couple frames and it is mind-blowing. It's really good. Maybe if you're lucky, huh? But we're gonna push it hard next year and fill the yard up because now it's a thing. You can get pepper infused honey, but I think that's mixed. This is stuff we're letting the bees make. So your results may go from to oh my goodness. And that's okay. So they were much later. They didn't come out until after 1:30. Where the bees in my yard were out at like 10:30. Oh, maybe 11:30. Which is kind of odd because they get more direct sun. It probably has to do with this wrapper I got on there. Probably regulates the temperature a little differently. But they are doing nicely. Taking advantage of both entrances. And it looks like it's going very, very well. Gonna sneak in here a little bit. See what I got going on. So those are teeth marks from last year. Skunky wanted in there. Maybe a coon, maybe a coyote. How about that? Quick look-see, Missy. Hey, Bud Rose. So that's for ventilation and also if the snow happens to pile up. Well, this is Happy Feet, if I didn't say so, and I didn't. I've tried to do all kinds of updates with this hive. I just don't know what to say, but I think I've said enough. Spring's gonna be rocking. Stay tuned.